Hello. So if you're a YouTube creator, you're looking for a camera for a least budget and amazing picture quality, this is the right video for you because I'm gonna suggest some amazing cameras which you can use for your next videos. So keep watching and I hope you like it. Firstly, thanks for watching the second episode of my playlist, which talks about what equipment you need to start your own YouTube channel, which includes vlogging videos, indoor videos, or any kind of videos like that. And basically this video will be specifically on cameras. The first video which I created was on microphones, and I'll probably shoot the link somewhere on the top. So in this video I've tried to narrow down the options on the cameras. Basically there are so many cameras available in the market and I know how hard it is to pick the right one. So I know that these cameras might not be the best or awesome or the one and only cameras you can have, but these are some of the ones which are worth the price, and I think that these cameras can take amazing videos and I hope you will like it as well. Alright, so if you're a beginner and you're looking for a camera which is very inexpensive, or maybe you just don't want to spend it all, I would really suggest to go forward with your cell phone camera. These are pretty awesome. So if you're using a Samsung cell phone which is S7 and later versions, or if you're using an iPhone which is iPhone 6 Plus and later versions, you already have an amazing camera quality. Basically in iPhone you can also switch from 1080p 30 frames per second, which is default. You can switch to 60 frames per second and also to the 4K quality. So that will definitely improvise the videos you take from your cell phone. Alright, so other than that, in case you just want to record your face, maybe you're doing an online streaming or something like that next to your computer, you can buy a webcam. And the best webcam I would suggest is the Logitech C920. I'm saying it the best webcam because just for around $50 it will give you an image resolution for 1080p, and also it has an inbuilt microphone which is pretty decent. Alright, so switching gear and going to a little expensive camera, we have the Gopro Hero 5. Not Hero 7, Hero 5, just because it's more cheap and at the same time it can provide 4K quality videos. So why to go for Hero 7 when you can create the same videos on there? Obviously there will be a little difference, but I would still go for the cheaper option as a beginner. GoPro also provides you with modes, so basically you can switch to linear mode if you don't like the fisheye effect. And it is also easy to shoot amazing videos from different angles using the GoPro. Moving to a slightly higher range of price, we have the Sony HX80 for around $320, and we have the Panasonic Lumix G7 for around $500. Both of these cameras have their own pros and cons, so I have this table with the features listed on the left. You can prioritize the features which you want in your camera and you can pick one camera over the other. Although both of these cameras can shoot 4K or UHD videos, they both are very compact and also they have flippable screens. And having a flippable screen is kind of good for a beginner because you can see your own face while shooting the video, and it really helps to enhance your skills. Alright, so these were the cameras I had for you guys, and if you're using any budget camera which you think is better than what I suggested in the video today, please do not hesitate to comment that below and help others as well. And also, let me know what other cameras are coming up in 2019 which you think would be the best camera in this year. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated on all the tech news or maybe all the tech gadgets which are coming up in 2019. So keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.